Bonjour, everybody.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, ma'am.
Bonjour. First of all, very congratulations on completing the first week. I hope you all are enjoying the classes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Now to start off with, I want everyone to introduce themselves in French. Okay. Who's going first? Come on. Who's taking the initiative?
Yeah, ma'am, may I?
Okay. Go on.
So, bonjour, madame, monsieur. Je m'appelle Mohammad Shadab Alam, enchanté de vous rencontrer. And ma'am, that's all.
Enchanté, Shadab. Who's going second?
Ma'am, I can try.
Go ahead.
Bonjour, madame. Je m'appelle Sirat Chadha. Je suis enchantée de te rencontrer. De vous rencontrer. Je suis indien. And je parle hindi, anglais et français. J'étudie à IHM en Inde. Yeah. Merci.
Très bien. Who's going next?
May I try,
Oui,
ma'am?
Ananya. Oui, allez.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Ananya Adlakha, enchanté de vous rencontrer.
Enchanté. Who's going next? Inder?
Am I next?
Yes. Come on, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Bonjour, je m'appelle Inder Shivdeep Singh, enchanté de vous rencontrer. Merci.
Merci. Abid?
Yes, ma'am. Bonjour, madame. Je m'appelle Abid Uzzaman. Enchanté de vous rencontrer. Merci.
Enchanté. Now, Sirat had added a couple of more sentences. So, very
Ma'am,
good.
actually, I have learned French for around 5 to 6 years. That's why.
Okay.
In your school? Yes, ma'am. Okay.
For the others, now, did you all learn these extra sentences that Sirat said? Telling your age, your nationality? Not yet?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. We quickly go through these two sentences. Okay?
Sure, ma'am.
Again, can you tell your age in French? How do you say?
Ma'am, I think it's Je suis 19 ans. It was extra or
It's partially correct.
avoir, I guess.
Yeah, you use what?
Okay, it's J'ai 19 ans.
Very good. J'ai 19 ans. So I'll write the sentence in the chat box. So it says J'ai 19 ans. That means I am 19 years old. I hope you all are 19. All of you all are 19. Okay? That's how you tell your age. And the other sentence that Sirat said was about the nationality. Okay? The
Yes,
sentence was Sirat.
Ma'am, je suis indien. That I'm Indian.
Correct. Je suis indien. Now, in French, the nationalities are, divided into masculine and feminine as well. If I, being a girl, saying my nationality, I would say it as indien. Whereas if a guy is telling his nationality, he will pronounce it as indien. Okay? So I'll give you the sentences. So this is for feminine. Je suis indien. Repeat, everybody. Je suis indien. Come on.
Je suis indien.
Everyone.
Je suis indien.
Oui. The guys.
Je
I
suis
know it's not
indien.
relevant for you, but then go on. Try for the pronunciations. Inder, Abhi,
Ma'am, just we Indian.
indien. Je suis
Indien.
indien. Okay. Now, thank you, Aditi, for the next sentence. When the guy says his nationality, it is said as Je suis indien. Je suis indien. Okay, repeat it, boys and girls.
Je
Ma'am,
suis
just
indien.
Indian.
Okay. Ananya, Siraj.
Je suis indien.
Okay. Now the pronunciation Swiss will be Swiss. It is a liaison. You can say Je suis indien. Je suis indien. You can pronounce the S as well in Swiss. Okay. Okay. Now come on, everyone. One by one again. Tell me all the 3-4 sentences. How would you introduce yourself?
I'll go then.
Okay.
Bonjour madame, je m'appelle Sira Chadda. Je suis enchantée de te rencontrer. Je suis indienne.
Très bien. Ananya?
Bonjour madame, je m'appelle Ananya Adlakha, enchantée de vous rencontrer. Je suis indien.
What about the age?
I forgot that.
Okay.
Was it a
J. J. 19 ans. 19 is 19. I am
Okay.
19 years old. J. 19 ans.
J'ai 19 ans.
So first we talk about our name, our age, our nationality, and then at the end you put the sentence enchanté de vous rencontrer. Je suis enchanté de vous rencontrer. Put it at the end. Don't put it into the middle and then say je suis indien or je suis indienne or your age. Okay.
In that?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you repeat what age is? Like what 19 is? This not.
These
Am I
now.
right? This not.
These now.
Okay, ma'am. So like I can try now. It is like bonjour, je m'appelle. Am I sorry? Yes, ma'am. Bonjour, je m'appelle Inder Shivdeep. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Try.
Let me try
You're
again.
doing well.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Inder Shivdeep Singh. Je suis indien. J'ai 19 ans. Enchanté de vous rencontrer. Merci.
Très bien.
Okay.
Très bien. Yeah.
Who's going next?
And may I?
Oui, Shadab. Ale?
Okay, bonjour. Je m'appelle Mohammad Shadab Alam. J'ai 19 ans. Je suis indien. Enchanté de vous rencontrer. Merci.
Très bien. Abhi.
Yes, ma'am. Bonjour, madame. Je m'appelle Abid Uzzaman. Je suis bon. J'ai bon. Je suis indien. Enchanté de vous rencontrer.
Okay. Now, your age. J'ai 20 ans.
J'ai 20 ans.
Yeah. So, 20 is
20.
word for 20.
20.
And je suis indien.
Je suis indien.
Correct. Okay. moving forward, in the videos, we learned about the pronouns. Remember? Pronouns? Now tell me who is going to take the lead and tell me all the pronouns in French.
Ma'am, you mean subject pronouns?
Yes, subject pronouns.
Ma'am, it's je, which is I, tu, which is you, in informal, il or elle, which is he and she, nous is we, vous is you in formal, and il or elle is he or she in plural.
Very good.
Ma'am, I would like to add something.
Yes, Shadab.
Ma'am, nous we always use it in written French, and we use it for an unknown person, and we use it for in spoken French, and we use it for unknown person.
Oui, très bien.
We have Guneet here. Guneet, are you connected? Can you hear us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we just did a brief introduction. Would you like to try and present yourself? Introduce yourself in French.
Ma'am, I'm not sure that I would be able to do it or not.
Give it a try, whatever you've learned. We are just doing the first couple of lessons from the videos that you're doing. A few sentences that you've learned about giving information about yourself.
Ma'am, I just know that bonjour, je m'appelle Guneet Singh Bedi, and pleased to meet you, Ashante de vous rencontrer.
Très bien.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now, we will play a bit with these pronouns, the subject pronouns. Okay. Now you're a classmate. Now I want you all to introduce each other. Say for example, Seerat can introduce Ananya to Miss Aditi. Seerat can give information about Ananya to Aditi. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, je vous présente Ananya Dilakha. Yeah. Like only that she is Ananya, right?
Yeah, then give information about her age, nationality, what does she do?
Ma'am, elle 19 ans, elle est indienne, and elle est une fille belle or belle fille. I don't really remember that. I think I think it's feel belle, right?
That belle fille. Belle comes before.
Elle est une belle fille, and yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ananya, a great introduction by Seerat. She says you're beautiful. Okay, now Ananya, who do you want to introduce?
I'll introduce Seerat, but I can't say much like her.
Give it a try. We have all the pronouns here.
Okay. Je vous présente Seerat. Elle 19 ans. Elles sont indiennes. ऐसी था ना बस.
Go on. Okay. Now I'll just give you the sentence for the name. Elle s'appelle. Elle s'appelle is how you say his name is or her name is. Okay, and then you say the name. So, for example, elle s'appelle Madame Aditi. Her name is Miss Aditi. Okay, or il s'appelle Monsieur Abid. Okay. Okay. Now we have these sentences using the pronouns to introduce your friends. Okay, so I'll give you the pronunciation once and then you can take over. Okay, so the first sentence goes as il s'appelle or elle s'appelle. Elle is for she, il is for he. S'appelle is the name. Il s'appelle Inder, for example. Now coming to age, il a 19 ans. He is 19 years old. And the same goes for il est indien, elle est indienne. Okay? Correct.
Okay, so I think Vaishnavi, let us introduce ourselves, each other first. Probably they'll
Each other, correct.
understand very well, and then they can carry on.
So I'll introduce you.
Okay.
Yeah. So, bonjour, je vous présente Madame Aditi. Now again I'll repeat the sentence that she is Aditi. Elle s'appelle Madame Aditi. Elle a 19 ans. Elle est indienne et elle est un professeur de français. Okay, you all got the last sentence? Did you all understand?
Yes,
I said
ma'am.
elle est un professeur de français.
She is a professor.
She's a
In
French
France.
professor.
Oh, French.
French book.
Okay.
Okay, so probably Shada, can you start by introducing Ananya? And then Ananya will introduce someone else. But Shada, use the right pronoun, okay? Use the right subject pronoun.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
Bonjour, je vous présente Ananya Adlakha. Elle s'appelle Ananya Adlakha. Elle a 19 ans. Elle est indienne.
Okay, shut up. Okay. Make sure your pronunciations are very clear when you speak French, okay? So, elle a 19 ans. And elle est indienne.
Elle est indienne and
L-A.
indienne and elle a 19
No,
ans.
why ill? No, L. She's L, not ill. Elle a
Sorry, ma'am.
19 ans.
Elle a 19 ans.
Miss Rabia, you did well, but yeah. You did well. Merci. Okay, Ananya, you can introduce probably Inder Shivdeep.
Okay. What's her age?
It's 19 only.
Okay. एक सेकेंड il s'appelle Inder Shivdeep. Il a 19 ans and il est indien.
Yeah,
Rabia.
very good. Okay, now Abid can introduce Guneet.
Bonjour, madame. Je vous représente Guneet. J'ai sorry.
With hint, use pronouns.
Il s'appelle Guneet. Il a même 19.
Please now.
These now. Il a 19. Il est
Il a 19
indien.
ans.
Il a 19 ans. Il est indien.
Il est indien.
Il est indien.
Oh, very good.
Yes.
Guneet,
Yes, ma'am.
can you introduce Shadab?
Bonjour, madame. Je vous présente Shadab. Je vais India. That's all now.
Inder can introduce Abid.
Yes, ma'am. So L Sepil Abid. L this.
No. Inder, L नहीं है अभी.
E
अभी
L. Okay. I said actually that only. I think it is just my pronunciation
it's okay,
problem
it's okay.
right now.
Don't say sorry. It's okay. You guys are here to learn. Okay. Don't
Yes,
say sorry. And if you all want to say sorry, say it in French. Like je suis désolé.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So il s'appelle Abid. Il est. I'm sorry. What was 20 in French?
Van.
It was where?
Yeah.
Il est where? Il est Indian.
Il a van.
Il when Indian.
Il a 20 ans. Il a 20 ans.
Il a 20 ans.
Yes.
Okay.
And nationality, how do you say it?
Il est Indian.
Il est indien.
Indian.
Ma'am, actually, I just wanted to ask that if we are saying that je vous présente Ananya, so is it necessary to say that elle s'appelle Ananya Adlakha?
If you're saying her full name,
Yeah.
so basically when you say I am presenting you Ananya, and then if you're saying elle s'appelle, then you'll have to say the full name. Okay? You can repeat the sentence, no harm in that, but just try and give more information so that it doesn't look repetitive.
Okay. Yeah.
Or you can say as I am presenting my friend. Je vous présente mon ami. Okay? Mon ami. Je vous présente mon ami. I'm presenting you my friend, and then say elle s'appelle Ananya. So it doesn't look repetitive. Okay? Okay, Guneet. He's here finally. Happy to see you, Guneet. Can you
Hey, ma'am.
introduce? Yeah. Can you try and introduce Shadab?
Bonjour, madame. Je vous présente Shadab. That's all now. I don't know the pronunciation about the age.
Okay. So the pronunciation to the age, where did he go? Here. The pronunciation for the age would be il a, because he's a boy. Il a 19 ans.
Il a
19 ans.
And ma'am, what about the nationality?
Nationality would be il est indien. Il est indien.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Can you repeat the sentences, Guneet, quickly?
Ma'am, il est indien and il est 19 ans.
Il a 19 ans.
19 ans. Il a 19 ans.
Okay. Now we move forward to the greetings. How do we greet when we meet people? Okay. So I think Aditya and I will have a small dialogue, and then we'll ask you questions and you all can answer us. Good? Okay. So bonjour Aditi.
Bonjour Vaishnavi.
Comment allez-vous?
Oui, je vais très bien, merci. Et vous?
Moi, je suis super, merci.
Okay.
Okay? Did you all hear us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Ma'am,
it was simple conversation. Yes, Shadab.
Ma'am, actually I got all of it, ma'am, but the last part I didn't quite get it. Just we prepare, you told something like that.
Yeah, I said, je suis super. Like, I'm doing super good. Okay? Now, who two are having the conversation?
Ma'am, I can try.
Okay, now let's have Seerat with Shadab.
Okay, ma'am. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Comment vous allez-vous?
Je vais bien, et vous?
Je m'appelle Sira Chadda.
She
Almost.
said,
I
je
think
vais
I'm
bien
sorry to
et
interrupt.
vous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Rashmi, please continue.
Comment allez-vous?
Je m'appelle Mohammad Shadab Alam, et vous?
No. Comment allez-vous?
Je vais bien.
Okay.
Ok, merci. Et vous?
Je vais bien, merci.
Au revoir. Ma'am, actually I got confused in comment tu t'appelles and ma'am that. Comment allez-vous?
No, actually I said it wrong. It was comment vous appelez-vous. Sorry about that.
Okay, happens at the start. But
Guys,
get
say
used to
sorry
it.
in French.
Je suis désolée. No, actually I said it wrong. It was comment vous appelez-vous and I said something else. Even I don't know now. Yeah.
Okay. Now we can have Ananya and Inder.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, should I start or Ananya you're starting?
Bonjour. Comment vous appelez-vous?
Bonjour, Ananya. Wait. Bonjour, Ananya. Tu viens? Et tu?
No, I asked you about your name.
No.
Okay.
Repeat the question.
Okay,
Repeat the
okay,
question,
okay.
Ananya, in
Okay.
French. Do not say it in English.
Okay.
Okay. Comment vous appelez-vous?
Juma Inder Shivdeep Singh.
Je
Et
m'appelle.
tu? Juma Pel Inder Shivdeep Singh.
मुझसे तो पूछा ही नहीं.
And how
I
do you
know.
ask for her name?
Ma'am, I will say et tu.
Je m'appelle Ananya Adlakha. Comment allez-vous?
Je vais bien. Et tu? Merci.
Je vais bien, merci. Merci.
Merci. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now, Inder, when you say je vais bien, and then you say thank you for asking, and then you ask what about you? Like, I am fine, thank you. How about you? Okay, so je vais bien, merci. Et vous? Okay, do not say merci at the end. Because, so when you say merci at the end, cuts the conversation, stop the conversation. If you're asking her something, then the merci should be before it. If I am doing good, thank you. What about you?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Merci.
Darya. Hello. Abid Egunit.
Ma'am, should I start? Ma'am, should I start?
Yeah, you and Guneet. Anyone can go first. Come on.
Bonjour, comment allez-vous?
Bonjour, je m'appelle Guneet. Et vous?
Je m'appelle Abid Uzzaman. Comment vous appelez-vous?
Je vais bien, merci. Et vous?
Je vais
Okay,
bien.
wait. You have interchanged the two questions and their answers. So the question for the name is Comment vous appelez-vous? Okay, and the question for how are you is Comment allez-vous? Okay, please start.
Bonjour. Comment vous appelez-vous?
Bonjour, je m'appelle Gunit. Et vous?
Je m'appelle Abid Uzzaman. Comment allez-vous?
Je vais bien. Et vous?
Je vais. Je vais bien. Merci.
Je
Merci.
vais bien. Merci.
Merci.
Very good. Any doubt? Are we good till here? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the first week we also learned about a verb. You all remember which verb was it? I'll give you a hint. It was an ER ending verb.
Play.
Verb aller.
Very good. What does that mean?
To go.
To go.
Oh, correct. Now, who is going to tell me the conjugation for ale?
May I?
Go ahead, Ananya.
Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, on va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont.
Very good. Très bien. Okay, now this is the conjugation for ale. Aditi, are you writing it down or shall I?
I'll do it. One second.
Thank you so much. Now, when we say conjugation, we basically put on the verb in the form according to the subject pronouns so that we understand who is doing the action. A verb is basically an action. So, to understand who is doing the action, we conjugate the verb, put it according to the subject. Now, when we say je vais, we automatically know it is something that I am personally doing. I am doing the action of going. So I'll say je vais. When I say Aditi elle va, that means Aditi is doing the action of going. Aditi va, elle va. Okay. So this is the meaning of conjugation. Now in French, we have not many verbs and these verbs are conjugated in the similar way. They're put into according to the subject pronoun so that we know who is doing the action. Which person is doing the action. Okay, so we all know the basics pronouns je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, il, elle, on. Okay, now we'll try and make a few sentences. Okay, I'll give you the sentences in English. You can try and translate them in French. Okay. Now the first sentence is I am going to France.
Ma'am, I can try.
Let someone else try.
Okay.
Ma'am, it will be you with France.
May I try?
Just give me a second, Ananya. What did you say in that?
Ma'am, I said you with France. You.
Okay. Now the sentence is I am going to France. You have to translate as it is. How would you say I am going to France in French? Ananya?
Je vais à France.
Okay. Je vais en France.
En France. Okay.
En?
It's je suis à France, right?
No. Je vais en France means I am going to France. Je suis français can be I am French, as in the nationality French. Okay. Now the sentences I am going to the translation would be Je vais en France. Now for countries, we use the word en to indicate that you are going to that particular country. When it is a city, you say a. Okay. For example, if I want to say I am going to Paris, so the sentence would be Je vais à Paris. Okay. Je vais à Paris. Now, how would you say she is going to Mumbai? Who's trying? Who's trying?
Ma'am, may I?
Yeah, go ahead.
Ma'am, elle va à Mumbai.
Very good. Elle va à Mumbai. Now the next sentence is we are going to Bordeaux. We are going to Bordeaux. Do you all know what's Bordeaux?
No, ma'am.
Bordeaux is a city in France.
And so it will be nous allons à Bordeaux.
Nous allons
À
à
Bordeaux.
Bordeaux. Very good. Now, what would be the meaning of ils vont à Hyderabad?
He is going to Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, yeah.
Okay, I'll repeat the sentence. Ils vont à Hyderabad.
They are going to Hyderabad.
Right. And what about elles vont en France?
Ma'am, a group of girls are going to France.
Right. They are going to France. Okay, now each one of y'all give me a sentence. Any pronoun, use any of the subject pronoun, and give me each sentences give me one sentence using alle. Come on, a minute to think.
Ma'am, je vais en France. Yeah.
Je vais en France. Okay, we've already done with France. Do you want to try
Yeah.
going somewhere else?
Yeah, je viens en Australia.
Je vais en
Oh.
Australie.
Okay, Ananya, your turn.
Ma'am, can you give me 1 minute?
Indarshidip, your turn.
Yes, ma'am. So it can be New Zealand, a Punjab. New Zealand, a Punjab.
A Punjab.
A
E
Punjab.
in French is pronounced as A.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, Abid.
Ma'am, ils vont à Delhi. And they are going to Delhi.
Okay, everyone clear? So we'll continue with Ale probably next class. If you all have any doubts, you all can ask us during the next live call as well. Okay. for today, let's stop here. Do you all have any questions? No? Okay. So guys, how did you find the live video call? Any improvements to be made?
No, ma'am, it was good.
Yeah, man, it was good.
Okay, you all enjoyed it?
Yes,
Yes.
a lot.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
I think we should keep doing the live calls, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
man.
Okay. So Seerat, since you've learned French for almost 5 to 6 years, have you learned any? Do you think these videos were helpful? You learned something more? Was it just the same?
Ma'am, yeah, it was good. Like, it was just the way my teacher taught me in school. So yeah, it was very informative.
Okay. And thank you so much.
Thank you,
We
guys.
will see
Merci beaucoup pour votre présence.
Merci.
À bientôt,
Au revoir.
man.
À
Oui,
bientôt.
à bientôt, bien sûr. Cool. So we can stop for the day. Call us if you'll have any queries with regards to the internship program or with regards to the French language classes. Aditi and I are here to help you out whatever way possible for you all. Okay? So just feel free to get in touch with anything that you are having doubts about. We are here to help you out. Great?
Okay. Au revoir.
Merci
Bonne soirée.
beaucoup. Au revoir.
Au revoir.